Girard has been giving out camera-issued speeding tickets since August, but the people getting them do have a chance to appeal.
Earlier this evening, traffic court convened in Girard, and I sat in to hear how the magistrate deals with people caught by the camera. Pleading their case in Girard is new at 11. Driving into Girard on Route 422, you're warned at the city limits. Traffic laws, photo enforced.
Okay, well done. Here, give that to clerk.
Those getting photo-generated speeding tickets can appeal their fines at a hearing presided over by Magistrate Ron Marks, a former federal administrative judge. He's heard them all, but the one he's heard the most.
It wasn't me. I don't know who's driving. I have a family. I have adult children that drive.
One man was photographed on back-to-back days for going 65 in a 55 construction zone on Interstate 80, but wasn't notified until much later.
I've been pulled over by an actual police officer rather than just the photo. Obviously, when I got the second one.
The magistrate dropped the second ticket, but he did have to pay for the first one. The owner of Stevens Optical was also photographed doing 65 on his way to a medical emergency.
I went to my Poland office to remove a gas-permeable rigid lens from their eye.
The magistrate dropped that charge. Attorney David Engler was in court with 3 tickets. His case started with a funny exchange.
Never saw a camera you didn't like, right?
Except for the ones on 422 and 80. Those are the only cameras I don't
Good
enjoy.
response.
Right.
Yeah.
Engler and the magistrate then went back and forth for 8 minutes. Engler asking how often the cameras are calibrated. The magistrate telling him before every use. Engler also questioned if the cameras were truly a safety tool and not just, in his words, a tax.
But what it becomes then, I believe, is just a way to take people's money.
Despite his argument, the magistrate still fined Engler $200, and he paid it before he left. Now, the magistrate never actually announced his decisions in court. He just handed them back their files. They went to the clerk and learned the ruling there. One man wanted to take his case further in the court system. The judge granted that. I also talked with 2 women who said their fines were cut in half.